Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now today we've got another little app review. So this is My Possible Self, and what this app is all about is being able to track and then help with your mood, or if you need any assistance with exercise, diet, whatever it is. There's probably something on this app that you can use to just improve your life that little bit more. So without further ado, let's jump in and take a look at My Possible Self. Okay, so one of the things I do really love about this app is that you're able to dive right in and rate your mood from the get-go, from your little screen. So you can dive right in, and we're greeted with this dude. How's my day doing? Pretty good. So next, now how am I feeling? Calm, relaxed, confident, but am I also tired, sad, tense, nervous and all that? I'm not, but if you are, what am I doing? Well, I'm working. Who are you with? At the moment, I'm just by myself. Where are you? I'm at home from right now. And I can attach a picture or elaborate on anything else that's happening with that. Next. How stressed are you? I am not. Would you like to select your stress symptoms? You can do that as well. I don't have any symptoms at the moment. And done. So you can see, as it was 2 days ago, yeah, the same sort of thing. Now, what that entails us to do is to go through then and do some other of their activities, which is the main thing. So you've got a little crisis button up here that doesn't have anything for the Australia version, but US, yep, and some little self-help, not self-help, and some links to what you can get to, so the numbers that you need if you're in time of crisis. But the other biggest thing that this app has is, so let's have a look at managing my stress. So there's a stress quiz. What are your stress levels? In the last month, how have you been upset because of something that happened unexpectedly, or, sometimes, and so on and so forth with the questions for it. So you get your little rating and you can compare that to how you were a day, a week, a month, whatever before. What are my symptoms? There you go, rate your mood again. But here, how to reduce your stress. Or if it's the exercise one, what to do to increase the cardio, or what to do to eat better, or whatever it is that you've chosen. So you've got a meditation audio, summer clouds, Selena, high altitude, and you can choose your narrator or your voice. Let's go with Selena. And let's go with White Fields for music.
The purpose of this exercise is to calm your mind by visualizing a peaceful place where you can relax. Practice this whenever you feel stressed.
So you can see in real time you can adjust just about everything with their meditation. Then you've got your box breathing, which is one of my most favourite things in the world. So you're breathing in, you get a little chime to help you know when to take the next step with it. But then they've also got videos for different things as well, so exercises, whatever, yoga, as well as there's a little bit of breath work on there as well.
Hi, welcome to My Possible Self. My name's Rebecca Richmond and I'm the founder of Yoga Lux. In this short sequence,
and you can skip to wherever you want to go. Nice and easy, quickly loading
with the breath
as well. So massage, affirmations, grounding. It's a whole heap of stuff on this app. Now, if we have a look at my account, one of the biggest things that you'll notice with this app is that it is completely free. So it is free for you to use for however long. And you've got things like recipes and everything else on here as well, where you can go to the ingredients. So the usability of this app is easy. It's great. It's got a great, calm, nice interface. You've got lovely little illustrations for all your things. And down here you've got, so you know if your introduction to breathwork is going to be with a real person or whether it's just going to be text. Men's mental health series. So you got a little cartoon guys there. So you can know that it's going to be a little bit of cartoon stuff, but it is more than just, the video that's on here.
Hi guys.
As well. Now, if you go into your library, here you've got where up the top here, you can select for what you're feeling. So anxiety, depression, stress, sleep, physical health and lifestyle, so on and so forth. Now, here's your journey where if you have any favorites or whatever you've done recently comes up in there, and any insights. So how my mood's been tracking along. your sleep summary if you want to add all that data in there as well, and your lifestyle. So my lifestyle is at 82. Hey, it could be improved, but it's not too bad. Unless I'm missing anything major, that is my possible self. I really like the app, and I really liked just how much they give you for free in this app and how easy it is. Like, this is something that a lot of apps strive to do, and even some of the ones where you pay for it, they don't offer such a robust system, as well as all the exercises, as well as all the recipes and the podcasts and meditations in there as well. That's probably one of the first ones I've seen where you can really select like from 4 or 5 different narrators for your meditations as well as different music for that as well. So in that way, and how fast it all loads up, it's beautiful and it works so well. As well as those crisis numbers are a huge benefit. If you're in a struggle, if you're in somewhere, even if you see something else happening and you want to get in touch with someone but you can't remember the number, maybe you're visiting there, you can hit that. I would love to see, for the rest of the world, more implementation of that. Just the crisis numbers for that, even if it is just one, like the police, or in Australia we have 000, I know in America you have 911. Those sort of numbers in there, so you got that quick, instant access to that. That being my only sort of complaint, I give my possible self a 9 out of 10. I think it's pretty complete. The quizzes that they give you are wonderful, enlightening, and give you a bit of a score of how you're going, how you're managing your moods, as well as all the tools and resources then afterwards to help you manage yourself. Whether it be in the physical health, lifestyle, mental health, whatever. This app has it pretty much. And seems like a fantastic resource if you are struggling. So why not check out My Possible Self? Because it's 100% free, so you're not going to get stung after the free trial either. There's no possible way for My Possible Self to rip you off. But anyway guys, that's it for this one. I'm Rob Murphy, and I'll see you in the next video.